Hey everybody, this is Teacher Daniot. Thank you for joining for another video. And I think everybody knows it. Ak Teacher Daniot, tout moun a parlé anglais. English is easy with me. Anglais facile avec. In today's English lesson, I'm going to teach you vocabulary about life and death, or life and death vocabulary words. Dans la vidéo, nous allons apprendre vocabulaire sous la vie avec Lanmò. C'est ça que nous allons apprendre. Without further ado, let's get started. Sans perdre du temps, on va commencer. The first vocabulary is life. Life.
Life.
Life is when you are alive, when you are living, is life. I can say to when you are existed, maybe. When you are existed. Life. There is life in me, there is life in you, there is life in the tree, etc. Life in Asian Creole means la vie. Life là signifie la vie. For example, everyone should respect life. Everyone should respect life. Tout monde doit respecter la vie. This is an advice and it's an obligation too. C'est une obligation liée tout. Tout monde doit respecter la vie. You show that you respect life when you respect the human being, you respect the trees, you respect the animals. Ou montrer ou respecter la vie lorsque vous respectez vie moun, ou respectez vie plante yo, et puis vie animal yo, tout ça qui gagne vie. Okay, life around you. La vie qui est autour de vous-même. The first vocabulary is life. And most of the time, people say life is not easy. La vie pas facile, nous entendons phrase yo assez souvent moun utiliser. Life. And let's see the second. The second vocabulary is alive. Alive.
Alive.
To say that you have life in you, you can use the adjective alive. To be alive. Life is a noun and alive is an adjective. Life, c'est un nom, et puis alive, c'est un adjectif, c'est ça que fait utiliser avec l'auxiliaire to be. On dit to be alive. And alive means en vie. Par exemple, si m'a dit moi en vie, m'a dit I am alive. I am alive. Let's see another example. As long as I am alive, I will help people. I will continue to help people. Aussi longtemps que moi gagne la vie, tout le temps gagne la vie, m'a continue à aider moun, mais dans phrase ça dit m'a aider moun. Pas de espace encore, juste mettre phrase bien cool. As long as I'm alive, I will continue to help people, or I'll help people. I'll help. M'a aider. Tout le temps gagne la vie, m'a aider. Donc pour dire la vie ou dire life, et pour dire moi en vie, moi gagne la vie dans moi dit to be alive. To be alive. Vous mettez be devant parce que pas qu'à dire I alive, you should say I am alive. Moi en vie. And death.
Death.
Death when you don't have life inside of you. Ou pas la vie dans où? You say death. Ou parler de la mort en général. I think almost everybody is afraid of death. Je pense que presque tout le monde peur la mort. Death. For example, the death of my father saddened the whole family. The death of my father saddened the whole family. La mort papam attristé toute famille. I use the word to sadden, the verb to sadden, okay, qui signifie attrister, qui sortit de l'adjectif sad, triste. The death of my father saddened the whole family. And the next one is to be dead.
To be dead.
If you talk about death, si vous parlez de la mort, faut qu'on parle de comment vous dire un tel mourir. Ou dit to be dead or to die. For example, my father is dead or my father dies. Everybody will die. Everybody will be dead. Qui signifie mourir. Un tel mourir, he is dead. Okay, un tel dies. Let me give you an example, another example. All my grandparents are dead. Tout parents mourir. Tout grands-parents mourir. All my grandparents are dead. Tout grands-parents mourir. C'est comme ça pour dire mourir. When someone is dead at night, they organize a party where they serve tea and coffee and sing for the person. And this is called wake. It's called wake.
Wake.
Wake, c'est une veille. Côté yo chanter ou font cérémonie le soir pour moun qui fin mourir. For example, did you drink tea in the wake? Did you drink tea in the wake? est-ce que tu bois thé dans veille là? Wake. C'est comme ça il dit veille en anglais. The wake. And after the wake at night, in the morning or in the afternoon, they are going to bury the person. You pral enterrer moun nan dans matin ou bien après-midi. You call this ceremony burial. The burial is the ceremony or interment where they are going to bury the person, where they are going to bury the corpse. Kote ou pral enterrer mort. Burial, enterrement. For example, his whole family was present at his burial. His whole family was present at his burial. Toute famille était présente dans enterrement là. Donc, là, on dit enterrement, on dit burial. Là, on dit enterrer, on dit to bury. To bury. Good. And after burial, when they finish to bury the person, the son or the daughter of the deceased can wear mourning. Mourning.
Morning.
Moi, je dis que après enterrement, petit garçon bien petite fille défunt. When I say deceased, okay? I say this. Deceased, ça signifie défunt. Okay? Défunt. You say deceased. Deceased. The son and the daughter of the deceased wear mourning. Mourning. You mettez day. The mourning is a black or white dress that is worn by the son or the daughter of the deceased. Donc, moi dit, mourning nan c'est un rad noir ou bien un rad blanc que petit défunt mette. Yo relè ça day. For example, she has worn the mourning after her father's death. She has worn the mourning after her father's death. Li mette de là après la mort papal. Donc c'est tout ça que nous avons gagné dans la vidéo ça qui parlait de life and death vocabulary words. Remember, when you want to say Lavi in English, you say life. Life is a noun. And when you want to say that someone has life in him or in her, you say the person is alive. You say to be alive. Là ça on dit en vie. Là on dit la mort en général, on dit death. Mais là, on dit moun nan mouri, ou dit to be dead. On conjuguer verbe to be. He is dead, she is dead, mais moi, I'm not dead. OK? Ou bien on dit die qui sont verbes tout court. Mais to be dead là, sont expression. Et là, on veut dire veille, l'on moun fin mouri, ou dit wake. Et là, on dit enterrement, ou dit burial. Et là, on dit day, ça moun nan pote, ça défunt, deceased. Yo pote, ou dit ça morning. So thank you so much for watching the entire video. Like it and share and subscribe. Pas oublier commenter, like et puis partager vidéo ça qui est vraiment important. Je ne connais pas c'est teacher Daniot. On va croiser pour une autre plus belle vidéo. Bye.